राधे राधे जानवी रानी.
Radhe Radhe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Lulu having chat time today.
Now
What we have dahi vada, sev puri, paneer chaat, vada pav
and lot of salads.
and lot of salad, different varieties of salad. Happy
We
birthday
have vada
to
pav.
me.
Happy birthday to you. Jutta jutta happy birthday to you. Huh? Lot of varieties Janvi Rani is eating. This is the outside here.
Party time, happy weekend. देखो नवरात्रों के कपड़े
हाँ डांडिया वांडिया के कपड़े हैं उधर. ये हेयर बापू राजा. हेयर माय जानवी रानी.
बाय बाय
चलो स्टार्ट ईटिंग बेटा.
Yeah.
एंजॉय.
बाय